EIA has warned of a tightening market towards the end of the year due to the combination of falling supply in countries such as Iran and Venezuela and strong demand, especially in Asia. Do you think it is going to be tightening for the rest of this year?
I think that that's already been widely anticipated. The fact that we're rallying now, I do think there will be tightening. I think the one thing to watch is probably going to be more of a demand issue than a supply issue that typically starts right around October. And so if demand starts to really drop off, then we could see a peak in crude oil sometime in the next few weeks and start to see prices turn down. Seasonally, we're in a pretty weak period, generally starting September, October into the end of the year. So I'm not really all that optimistic going past like $71. I think that crude has had a nice rally over the last 2 weeks, but I think we're getting closer to areas where we probably stall out and turn lower. So I'm not sure that that's going to immediately. I'm not certain that we can have a bigger move to the 80s or 90s this year anyway.
So the path of least resistance for the prices, at least in your view, is going up?
Well, it's been range bound the last few months, and so the path of least resistance in the last couple of weeks has been higher, but I'm not certain. We need to really get above the highs that were made back in May and June, and that's right near 71. So we're not too far away right now. So I think that in general, the area near 71 probably does hold, and it probably stalls out. And if anything, if demand starts to decrease, then we could see a big pullback in crude in the back half of the year.